Hey, and we are live. Hello. Welcome to my live video, my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, wherever you're catching this, welcome. Jason Brown here from Portland, Oregon. If you're first time to my page, huge welcome to you. Appreciate you stopping by, appreciate you hopping on, tuning in, all those good things. Drop me a comment, let me know you're here, let me know where you're from. Let me know that people are out there hopefully gaining some value from this. So I am on here again on the weekend. I have fallen slightly behind in my live videos and getting online, and so I wanted to, even though it's the weekend, which isn't often in the afternoon the best time to be on, but it's still something that I wanted to do. So here I am, dedicated to my business and my brand and myself. So as the description notes, are you willing to invest in yourself? Are you willing to overcome those limiting beliefs and thoughts that you create or that go on in your head and that kind of dictate your success or lack thereof, unfortunately? Are you willing to think away outside of that and not just go back? And so let me get specific as what I'm talking about. Here we are, it's the 6th of December, which means that the Christmas holiday is just a few weeks away. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, whatever it is that you celebrate, it's just a few weeks away. And so it's easy to say, oh, I'm going to put that off. I'm going to wait on any additional income, any additional success, any additional anything until after the holidays. And then that time comes, and then there's the next limiting thought. And then the next, some other, it's New Year's, and then it's this, and then it's that. And it just becomes this vicious cycle. And you're just saying the same things in your head over and over and over. The challenge is, hey, Mary, thanks for hopping on. The challenge is to yourself. Your charge should be, I'm creating my own income. I'm creating my own new set of circumstances. I'm creating my own outside, regardless of the time of year, regardless of the holidays, because the real, when the rubber meets the road and the real grind to it all, if you're making $500 a day or you're having $1,000 or $2,000 days like we're having, that makes for a much better holiday season, no? It certainly, from every angle that I can see it from, it's only a benefit. I'm not sure why we would allow that limiting thought and limiting belief to dictate when and how and if we get into something and create our new life, our new economy, our new way of living, our new level of providing and making our lives better for ourselves and our families and even our friends and whoever else it is that you can affect and whoever else that you can bring along with you and to help to start to change their lives. Is it easy? No. Is it happen overnight? No. Are there multiple ways out there to do it? Absolutely. Should you wait until after the holidays? Absolutely not. In fact, that might be the worst decision you can make right now. Does that mean you have to join my business or that's it? Nothing else will work? No, I'm not saying that. What I am here is to just offer an insight of someone who's found ways to make it work and found ways to create an income that is life-changing and that it is, creating more for myself and my family. And to limit my thoughts and beliefs to, I gotta wait till after the holidays. Oh, the holidays are gonna cost me this. Oh, this is gonna cost me that. Oh my goodness. And that's all it is. That vicious cycle, you gotta break that. Break those limiting beliefs and allow yourself to create something new for you and your family or for you and yourself and whoever it is that, the things, the dreams that you have, the things that keep you up at night that you want so bad. Get out there and make them happen. Find a coach that's willing to take the time like I have to show you the way and start with one. Start with, whatever it is, find a blueprint to follow, as I've mentioned before, and follow it. Make it happen. Make it work for yourself. So are you willing to do that? And stop limiting yourselves by your own thoughts and beliefs of things that aren't real. Create your own, ask for it and make it happen. Ask for it and get out there and take the proper actions to make it happen. And if you want to know how I found ways to make that happen, I'm happy to have that discussion. I'm happy to share with you what's working for me and my teammates. And yes, $1,000 and $2,000 days, and I'm more than happy to share that. $500 days, $100 days. So multiple ways of earning income, all of which is money. Then people say, oh, $100. Well, so if you have 3 or 4 of $100 days in a week, and that continues over a month, doesn't that add up? Isn't that what you're looking for? Okay, so that's just reality. You know, don't limit your mind on what. Well, that's not enough. I need to make more than that. Okay, so what are you making more than that right now? So you know that. Think outside the box. Be willing to believe in yourself. Take some action. Follow a blueprint. Find a coach. And just go make something happen for yourself and your families, and make it a holiday to remember. Make it a holiday that is something that you'll think about and remember and smile and be happy about, and then carry that on and carry that momentum into next year, and carry that, continue to build and make it happen. There's so many ways to make money online, and I'm happy to share, and there's so many others that are happy to share. And by now you know that you can believe what I'm saying, and you can I'm not out here spewing lies and any nonsense like that. The things that I've found bad things over time, and I'm well past that. I'm now into things that, yes, I'm making money on a consistent basis, and I'd love to help you do the same. So if that works for you, if that's something you're interested in, drop me a comment below. As always, let me know you're here. I appreciate you stopping by. If you're just looking and you just like what I'm sharing, let me know. I love to provide value, and I love to hear from people that get value from what I'm saying. And I want to mention one last thing before I hop off of here. Inevitably, whenever I go live, I get messages from people. Yesterday I went live and I had 6 different people ask me if they have to go on Facebook and do a live video or on YouTube in order to be able to make money online. And the answer still is absolutely no, you do not. Can it help you expedite and make things come quicker and possibly even help you, make more money? Yeah, probably. People get to know you a little better, and they see you more often. They can hear and see, and facial expressions, and voice inflections, and all those things are good, but it's not a mandatory thing. Like, if you don't, you can't make money. So I wanted to put that out there because I get that asked all the time. So to work with me or to do what I'm doing, you don't have to, but I think it's important for me, and that's something I want to do. So having said that, thanks as always for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Hope it's amazing, and you start your week strong, and get out there and take some action. Stop thinking you can't do it. Stop thinking you gotta wait. Just jump in the game. If you want to know how, let me hear from you. I'm available. All right, I'm Jason Brown. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you as always, and I'm out. Peace.